If you want to start a YouTube automation horror channel, but you're thinking, is this niche right for me? Does it even get monetized? And what if I waste a lot of time on the wrong approach? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a niche that's fully monetizable, works perfectly with AI, doesn't need expensive tools, and the best part, it's evergreen. Look at channels like Nightmare, massive views, huge audience, all built around simple but powerful horror storytelling. We're going to create videos like that using free AI tools. After this video, you'll be able to create videos like this yourself. You'll have a complete workflow you can follow every time to make full horror videos in this niche without guessing what to do next. And if you don't learn these things, you'll end up wasting your time on stuff that feels important but doesn't actually improve your videos. And that's exactly why most automation horror channels never grow. All right. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to make videos like this, and the thing is, idea. If you don't have a good idea, then your video collapses at the first step. So for getting ideas, I have created a prompt system which can help you get ideas that will be unique and also effective. The prompt doc is in the description. Open that prompt doc, copy the full idea prompt, and then open ChatGPT or any chatbot you prefer and paste it there and hit enter. This prompt will give you proven ideas alongside with the titles you should use. It can give you 20 ideas that have the ability to work, but you have to choose the best one from it as well. So your video becomes extremely good from the first point. So now your first step is completed. You have a good idea now. But don't think only a good idea could help you get millions of views. Idea is a really important factor. But if your script is not good, a great idea will even collapse. So for scripting, I have a prompt which can help you make amazing scripts. Just again, go to the prompt doc, copy the full portion of the script prompt, then go to GPT and paste the prompt there. Now first copy your idea or concept which you think is the best. I am copying this 15th one which says students or staff alone after hours encounter strangers or movement in empty buildings, and paste it into the prompt. It will help the prompt understand the concept it is building. Then also copy the title. For me, it is 5 Scary True School Horror Stories. Paste this into the prompt as well. Then go down and check the length. Change the length according to what you need. The average length of the videos are 28 minutes, but you can choose less at first and then gradually increase your video length. So after that, hit enter. This prompt will give you a polished script which will have psychological triggers that can help you make amazing attention-catching scripts. Now you have both good idea and the script as well, but without voice, your video will not be effective at all. So for voice, I have a really good eye tool which will help you make amazing voiceovers without a penny wasted. But before that, you have to make the script more expressive. For that, you have to make the letters capital to emphasize it. And also I use exclamation mark for the same purpose. I add full stop for pause and comma for the short pause. If I need a big pause, I add more full stops. And after doing that, the script becomes expressive. But I also have a prompt which can do that for you in seconds. Go to the prompt doc, copy the expressive prompt fully, and then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. Now go to your script, copy the full script, and then paste the script alongside with the prompt, and then hit enter. This prompt will do the whole expressive work for you in minutes. Now it's time to make a voice. Go to Google, type speech synthesis. Open the site and then copy your script and paste it into it. You can change speed in this tool, change pitch, and also change the accent. These settings will help you create a new voice for you. Now click Synthesize, and after some time, you have a great voice which you can use in your videos. And one more thing. If you are thinking AI voice is monetizable or not, then the answer is yes. AI voices are completely monetizable. You can use AI voices freely. Now you have the best idea, script, and also audio. But is this enough? The answer is no. Without visuals, they are still not enough. So for visuals, I also have a prompt. Open the prompt doc. Copy the image prompt fully, and then go to GPT and paste it there. Now copy your whole script again and paste the script in the section and then hit enter. This will make only 5 image prompts at a time for your script and will make an image every 5 seconds, making only 5 prompts so they will be professional enough. When you say next, it will make 5 more professional prompts. Now you have the prompts. Now go to Nano Banana free version and paste the first prompt there and hit enter. After that, a professional image will be created. Other free options other than Nano Banana are Ideogram, Leonardo, Whisk, and also Reve. You have to do the same thing in these software as well. For example, Go to Google, write Rev, open the site, and then go to the prompt box. You can customize aspect ratio and other stuff as well. Paste the prompt there and hit enter. And after some time, you will have the image. Now you have images as well, but only images are not enough. You also should have some videos. So for videos to be created, go to prompt doc again. I have a prompt for that as well. Copy that prompt fully and then open GPT and paste that prompt there. This prompt makes animation once you put image prompts in it. It will analyze how many image prompts you have added and will cast that many animation prompts. So copy the image prompts and paste them into the prompt and then hit enter. You will have a professional, highly detailed video prompt. Look, now you have the prompts, it's time to make them alive. For that, I am using Google Flow. Go to Google and write Google Flow. Open the site, click on Create with Flow, then click on New Project. Change text to video to ingredients to video. Upload the relevant image first, then the animation prompt for that same image, and then hit enter. After some time, you will have the full amazing video. Other free options for video making are Whisk, Veer, and LM Arena. You can use them to make videos free. Now you also know how to make videos. But don't think your job is finished. You have to make everything together in the editor. For that, I am using CapCut. So first add the voiceover. Cut the voiceover to remove the empty spaces between them. But remember not to cut every space. Then use automatic captions to add captions in the video. For still images, use animation properties like scale, position, etc. Click on scale, then click on the diamond button and increase scale. That's how you animate an image. Also add a film grain overlay to it to make something moving always. You can also add wiggle effect in still images to make it horror. After doing all that, you have a full video. But one thing is still needed to make the full video working, and that is thumbnail. If you want to learn how to make thumbnail using AI, then click the video here.